snuck through this small little entry. Wow, now I'm really now in some backwater stuff. Wow, look at this. A solid 10 feet deep. Went from 1.5 feet to 10 feet. Look at this, it just opens up into another bay. Wow. There's probably going to be a lot of times where I say wow or oh my or blah 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 on this video, but justified. Tree right there. Guys, check it out. I think we found a beaver dam. Beaver lodge. Kind of quiet going up. I don't want to spook them right now. How Canadian. A beaver lodge. Cool. Alright. I'm not going to bother him. Let's get out of here. I got as far as I could get. What sucks is I wanted to get to this bay because I could then cut the island in half. That ain't gonna happen. But that's where I wanted to go. Now we're gonna have to go back out and around and through. And we might not come back down this way because we've seen it now technically. All right, let's keep going. Keep the adventure rolling. You guys can see all the little bugs on the wall. They're freaking out. I think this is as far as we can go up the little fjord this way. I want to see what's just over here. I mean, guys, how beautiful is this? It's actually slow. It's crazy. There's no one around. There. All right, guys, time to keep moving. without sliding. Alright guys, we just stopped for a quick little break here before we head out onto a little bit of big water. So we're going to try, I think we're going to try and go ahead towards Parry Sound now. So we'll stop there, see if we grab some lunch or something. We'll see how our gas is doing. So let's keep going and enjoying. Alright guys, had a nice little lunch there, slash late, early dinner, I don't know what to call it. But anyways, just had tailwinds there. Not bad, not bad. So now we're going to head back out and head back towards where we launched from. Anyways, that's Parry Sound behind us. Leaving Parry Sound. Well guys, we did it. Another adventure in the books. What an amazing time out there today. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure you hit that like button. Please continue to subscribe. It's great to see all these new subscribers, so thank you for joining the channel. Thank you guys for commenting. It's just great to hear from you, and I try to get back to you as fast as I can when I can. Otherwise guys, just another beautiful adventure. What can I say? Thanks so much for watching this one, and until the next one, be safe out on the water. Peace. Oh, I got a horsefly biting me. Look. Look. Guys, that is a freaking horsefly. Look at the size of this freaking thing. Stupid bug. I hope a fish gets you.